Qingdao Kids and Textile Machinery Co., Ltd. Fancy yarn making equipment. Fancy yarn roving frame. Roving frame can make long fiber, max length 120 mm. Roving frame can make many kinds colorful yarn. Sewing machine. Sewing machine is suitable for cotton yarn, polyester yarn, wool yarn. The yarn can get more hairiness by sewing machine. Get hairiness by special rub stone. Wide adaptability range. Raising machine. Raising machine is suitable for double polyester yarn, wool yarn and other special yarns. The yarn can get more hairiness by raising machine. Get hairiness by raising rollers.